Hi guys, we have launched a new program, Genius Learning Learn Data Science in just 15,000 rupees. End-to-end application data science full course in Python. There will be data analysis and pre-processing, creating different forecasting models, object classification, object tracking, 6 live projects and many more in a simpler and faster way. For more details, you can contact us on 962500982828 or email us on saratdeeplearning@gmail.com. So we will now go to our chapter. Class 7 Civics. Chapter 8 Assert in the Market. Topics to be covered in this chapter: raw material, transfer of the raw material to be ready to make final product, making of raw material suitable to make a final product, putting out system, transfer of goods to be make a final product, making a final product, transferring of that final product, distribution of the final product, the profit earned, cooperative. Raw material. The cotton, the raw material. In this chapter, we are going to study about the journey of the cotton shirt from the farm with black soil to the cotton shirt. We obtain cotton from the area with hot climate and black soil. The cotton farmers grow it. It is obtained from the fruit of the cotton plant, which is also called cotton ball. Transportation of cotton. The farmer produces cotton, then he needs to sell the cloth to the weaver to make it into a cloth. He cannot take the cotton to the weaver at a distant place. So they need a transporter to transport the cotton to the weaver. This transporter are called trader. They give less money to farmer than their effort. Putting out system. The weaver weaves the cotton to a cloth. The weaver do this with the hand loom or power loom. The weaver are paid less than their effort from the trader. They make a shed outside their house and work there. Transfer of goods to cloth industry. The cloth is taken by trader at cheap price and is sold to the shirt making industry. The trader gives the type of the cloth that is required to the industry. Making a final product. To make a final product, the shirt industry appoint temporary laborers. These laborers are paid to daily wages. They can be removed any time from the industry when the industry do not need them. Unlike permanent laborers, they are paid less and are not given the extra medical fees and extra fees that are given to a permanent laborers. Distribution of the profit earned. Does all the people involved in the process of making the shirt get same profit? No. Do the farmer get the same profit as that of the factory owner? No. All the people get different profit. People that are more connected to customers get highest amount of money, like retailers and factory owners. Relatively, the trader get less amount than factory owner, but it get more profit than weavers, factory laborers and farmers. And farmer who produce raw material get less profit. Weaver who make the main cloth for the cotton shirt also get less profit. Laborers who work to make the shirt also get less profit. Cooperative. It is a group of any labor that in a cooperative do not depend much on above post people. Weavers cooperative are supported from government also. It makes trader dependence lower as government of that state give work to the weaver cooperative, example to make clothes for government school children. Thank you. To learn from Fun Education and Learning so and so. Have a nice day.